What's up, guys? Happy Monday morning, technically. Hey, with a million guns being sold a week, everybody's always like, man, the ATF has taken so long to get things passed. So I forgot to post this video when I bought the JP Enterprises AR, so I just thought it was kind of ironic of just how long or short it was. But here, I'll just watch and see. It shows from the time the gun was up on the wall and goes right through. So you guys have a good one. See ya.
Now,
Clicking submit. Let's see how long ATF takes.
in my submissions,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
back.
11 seconds, folks. Uh-huh. Now I just got to zero it. I just threw that on real quick.
3, 2,
So.
1. Let me get one more. Hey. Gotcha.
JP Enterprises.
You're welcome. No problem, guys. Say again?
And it even came with my
No.
it even came with my my own hat. She's rocking. All right, first shots with the JP.
You want to do left hand shots?
Now, I don't have this zeroed, so we'll see what happens. I'll try the red. I'm gonna do a mag dump. Fuck it. Oh, I don't think there's much in there.
Now,
Bring the bag.
bring the bag.
God, that's smooth. All right, let's just try a mag dump.
Holy shit.
Attention shooters, you have approximately 2 minutes of active range.
That's all the mags I got. Boy, that stays flat. It's like no recoil at all, man.
Well, I felt it.
Oh yeah, but it
It's blowing my
stays.
shirt up.
Oh, it stays real. It stays real flat.
Hey.
Like you don't feel no recoil at all.